It was 1996. The Dallas Cowboys won the Super Bowl. The DVD player was invented. Tickle Me Elmo was the most selling toy. And what was really huge, Sydney Nicole Elliott. Born on a snowy day in January, taking the only child title away from me.
Patient, calm, understanding, the 3 words I would use to describe a good husband, because the man who raised me embodied those traits. You are patient as you wait for me to come home every day to ask me how my day was and to give me a kiss. You remain calm as I frequently present travel destinations and ideas for our future home.
Being 2 years younger than Sid, growing up together has been one of the greatest gifts of my life. We've laughed until we've cried, and we've created countless memories that I wouldn't trade for anything. During our childhood, Sid wasn't very fond of having a little sister. She would unbuckle my car seat while Mom had the car in drive.
Harsh, but
It wasn't dry. She would make me stand on a wagon and pull the wagon from under my feet. I still have a bump on my forehead from that experience. I'll be the first to admit, at times, you kind of drove me nuts. However, we grew into being best friends as we became older. So much so that in 2020, I dragged you to my high school reunion where you had a blast with my friends and you even started a little relationship with a guy named Zach Smith. So Zach, you're welcome.
I was gonna tap your shoulder.
Sid, I was thinking the other day about what I would write for these vows. That got me thinking about the phrase, love you more. So these are my vows to you. Did I get any on me?
A little bit. I just reapplied.
Did you? I felt that.
Aspen petals line the trail we paved. Just 2 kids trying to find their way.
You understand how much I value my family. It meant so much to me when you proposed in front of our dear friends and family with the view we will someday have from our own house. When you came into my life in 2020, my light was dim, but you graciously walked through the door and brought love and kindness. In your arms, I have found a home, and each day with you seems brighter than before.
Like a cool drink of water on a summer afternoon. Like the fog clearing out a little time out in view. The breeze that whispers love will make it through. It makes me feel brand new. One moment with you.
Dad was a guiding light in his girls' lives. His love, wisdom, and unwavering support shaped you into who you are today. He believed in you fiercely and loved you endlessly. As I look at you today, I see his spirit in your strength and grace. I knew he would be incredibly proud of the woman you are and the occupational therapist that you've become. So getting to know Zach, I think you're perfect for the job. He takes such good care of his mom and his family, and I know he'll take good care of our Sid. He loves her enough to take her name, her last name, and be an Elliott, and this just warms my heart. Den would love knowing that the Elliott name will live on. It's a good name.
Like a cool drink of water on a summer afternoon. Like the fog clearing out a little time out in view.
I promise to love you more every day, more than I did the day before. The phrase means every step we take together, I will love you more than I did when we started this journey together. It's not about who loves who more, it's about our love for each other continuing to grow through the years. When the time comes for us to start our own family, I will love you more than I do now.
I know that together we will build a life far better than either of us could imagine alone. I'm excited for us to grow together. If we are fortunate to have children, I'll be looking forward to having a front row seat to seeing you become a father, because you are made to be a good one, Mr. Elliott. I promise to love, respect, and trust you, and give you the best version of myself. I vow to love you more on the harder days. I vow to encourage you to achieve your goals. I vow to do the dishes when you generously cook. And I promise to try to not mess up your cookware.
Like a cool drink of water on a summer afternoon. Like the fog clearing out a little time out in view. A breeze that whispers love when we get through. Yeah, it makes me feel brand new.
Now, when Zach and Sydney first started dating, I knew it was something special. I have had the opportunity to have known Sydney before they started dating. And not just because Zach couldn't stop talking about her, but because I could see change in him. He became more responsible, looked more towards his future life, shaving his back, and dressing a little better.
Chasing, couple mistakes down, feeling like I'm always racing, heading nowhere bound. Girl, you saw me through the rough, and if I never felt your love.
I wish I could promise smooth sailing till the end of time, but the winds aren't mine to control. What I do promise is to build a strong boat with you that can carry us to safety, with sails that can weather any storm. I choose you, Zachary Kai, to be my partner, not just my golf and travel partner, but my life partner. I love you so much.
So sweet.
I wouldn't be without you.
I can't tell you how happy I am to begin a life with you. I'm very grateful to have found my one. I love you now, and Trevor.
Oh, so good.
I did my best.
He would have been thrilled to be here celebrating with us. Though he may not be physically present, his love surrounds us all. He is here in the laughter we share, the memories we cherish, and the love that binds our family together. You are kind like him, smart like him, funny like him, and you love your family like him. Dad is so proud of the woman that you've become. I just know that he's smiling so big, knowing that his big sis is married to the love of her life. Zach is the perfect partner that Dad would have seen you with, sharing your lives together for years to come.
Zach, you may kiss your bride.